Right, so the new fork oil's in. Now, factory says it should be 10 weight, but I've gone with 15 just to firm things up a little bit. And at the moment, I'm not feeling any difference. But that's because I'm not doing anything. I'm only riding a relatively straight road. I can feel it a bit, not a lot. Yeah, definitely feels better. Yeah, I hit that pothole and it didn't feel as jarry as it normally would. You alright? Oh, Jesus. I cocked up. My head was elsewhere just for a second. Okay, now I'm on the straight road, I can think about what I'm going to get from the Lidl. So I've been having to cook for myself all week, and it ain't been going too well. I've been feeding myself, don't worry, you know, but healthy has not been a word. But 2 bacon stir fries, for Christ's sake. Well, I did put some peas in it, so I'd have put more mixed veg in if I had some, but there was nothing in the freezer apart from peas. And I hate peas, but in a stir fry they're okay. In fact, it's the only place I'll have peas. I'm trying to hit the potholes on purpose to see how it feels. Well, my indicators are working at least. The headlight isn't, because I've just put it back on. I've knocked a wire off. I thought, right, well, let's go while it's still light. Well, it's only about 2 in the afternoon. I'll come down and get some shopping done. Because knowing my luck, I'll disconnect it and won't be able to use it later when I really need to use it. Healthy just went out the window again. I got some orange juice, so that's vitamin C. But Lidl has pissed me off even more again. They used to have a row of them self-service things. There's about 4 or 6, I think there was 6 things. So if you only went in for a few bits, it took no time at all. Fair dues, if you had anything age restricted like alcohol, you had to get someone to thing it over, and there was never anyone at it. But now they've got rid of them. So do they have more people working the tills and all that? No, they actually have less. There was 1 till open and there was a load of us in there. Thankfully they did figure it out and opened up another one. But it's not hard to figure out, is it? If you have them self-service checkouts, you put 1 person on them. That's effectively 1 person running 6 tills. Right, so why do we change fork oil? I maybe should have done this in my last video, but over time it thins out. It gets contamination in it, water can get in there if your seals aren't perfect, and over time, now how it works is the oil gets pushed through some small holes, and over time the hydrocarbon and what was the other one? the hydrocarbon bonds break down, and basically your oil isn't as thick as it was when it started. Exactly the same as an engine in a way. And if you think your forks are moving, I think your forks will move at around 2 meters per second, which is some fair old going, which is not what these cars in front of us are doing. So yeah, over time your oil degrades and gets thinner, less viscous. So when you replace it, you're effectively putting thicker oil in, and I put thicker than it's meant to be in as well. And I can definitely feel a difference over the bumps when I hit I'm like not bottoming out type thing. It's taking the shock out a lot more. I'm not good with some words sometimes. Admittedly, I've got to get it out on the open road and get some good riding speed going to really check it out, but I'm not doing that today. Cyclist on the phone. There's a questionable one.